Hello and welcome to Chenard's Tutorials. Today we're going to be describing dormant season sprays to control fungal and bacterial disease in trees and shrubs. There are many good products on the market, and today we're going to be covering copper fungicide, which has good control over many fungal and bacterial diseases. It is particularly effective in winter dormant periods. There are certain parameters for use that you'll need to be aware of. Spraying can only be done effectively on a day where these parameters are met. Number one, when spraying, it must be above freezing and will remain above freezing for at least 6 to 8 hours. Be sure to spray on a calm day, as very windy conditions are not only going to reduce efficacy but also pose a risk to the applicator. When spraying, you must be sure that the area will remain substantially dry for at least 6 to 8 hours, with no significant rainfall within 2 to 3 days of application. A light rain isn't an issue, but if within that 2 to 3 window a significant amount of rain washes away the copper, a new application can be applied at the next break in the weather. After spraying, keep children and pets away from the application area until the solution is dry, usually about 6 to 8 hours. Copper fungicide is a very safe product, but as with any spray, always read the label and always mix in a well-ventilated area. In this case, we're mixing 1 gallon of water to 2 ounces of copper fungicide. We add the desired amount of water first and then add the concentrate. We've got our 2 ounces of concentrate. Be sure to rinse your measuring utensil. And mix well. Again, copper fungicide is a very safe product, but you should always read the label and make sure to use personal protective equipment or PPE. Long sleeves, pants, gloves, and a mask will keep you protected from stray droplets. It's recommended to use eye protection as well. Make sure your solution is properly mixed and remains in solution, and spray all surfaces of the shrub, in this case a pink dawn viburnum, fully to the point where you see drips. This does take some time, so have patience and go slow. When you are finished spraying, there may be some solution left over. Simply disperse the solution around the application area. When the sprayer is empty, add some water, shake well, and spray around the application area again until the well is empty. This ensures the nozzle and hose are also rinsed. Next, we'll be covering the hose and sprayer. This is particularly useful for very large shrubs or large jobs. A perk to using the hose and sprayer is that careful measurement is not necessary. Just pour some concentrate into the well, like so, and set your dial to the desired strength. In this case, we'll be using 2 ounces per gallon. Most hose and sprayers have the dial right here on the side, and it's very easy to set. Again, make sure you read the label and are using proper PPE to avoid contact with droplets. Now that our solution is mixed, simply attach the hose and sprayer to the hose and we'll begin. A ladder may be required for tall trees, but in most cases the sprayer will make up for short stature. Be sure to get good coverage on all areas of the tree in this case a catawba crepe myrtle, to the point the solution begins to drip from the branches. It's okay that the grassy area and other shrubs are sprayed. There will be some overshoot. Now that we've finished spraying the tree, there's going to be some leftover solution. Because all the mixing happens above the well, the solution is still pure and can be used next time. So simply pour all unused solution back into the original bottle. Next, we'll need to rinse out the well. So pour in a little bit of water and shake. Finally, disperse the diluted solution around the application area.